Ever pull into a gas station to fill up but can't remember which side the filler cap is located on? Maybe it's a rental car you aren't familiar with, or you borrowed a friend's car and want to thank them by putting some gas in. How do you know which side of the gas pump to pull up to without getting out to check? Well, here's what some in the auto industry call one of the best kept secrets in the automotive world. Since around 2010, nearly all cars have an arrow next to their gas gauges on the dashboard. The key is that the arrow always points to the side where the filler cap is located. Now you'll never have to wonder where the filler cap is again. You're welcome.